Today I wanted to do a video that is inspired by Xparkage, who's recreating Patrick Starrr's look for his new Mac campaign. But it's going to be a little bit different because I wanted to do, it's not going to be an exact copy, but I wanted to do something similar using the Boxycharm and Pure palette. So first I'm going to go in with the Bell here, and that's going to be like my crease transition color kind of thing. So yeah, like I said, it's not going to come out looking exactly the same because I wanted to use the shade specifically in this palette, but it's definitely very much inspired by the look that she recreated. Okay, next, going in with Bay. I'm going to put this more focused into the crease, and I'm going to keep it on the outer 2/3 of the eye. Alright, then I'm going to grab a much fluffier brush and go into BFF. I'm just going to dab it in a couple of times lightly and knock off a bunch of it, and I'm just going to go very lightly over all of it, just to kind of give it a more pink hue. Okay, I'm just going to go onto the lid with some glitter primer so that blue will stick nicely. Alright, and I know the blue that was used in that video was, from MAC, is much more of a royal blue, but I'm using the turquoise blue, or the marine blue, in this palette, and that is this one, MIA. Sorry, I keep looking down because I don't want this primer to crease, so I'm just taking it on a flat packing brush, and I'm just going to press that onto the lid. I'm just taking the brush that I used in Bay, and I'm just going really briefly over the edges of that. I'm going to put some liner on the lower waterline. Okay, I'm going to take an angled brush into MIA, the blue color, and I'm just going to run this along the lower lash line. And I'm going to take a little small detail brush and go in with Bay again, right underneath that blue. And I'm going to go in with Charmer, and I'm just putting that on the inner tear duct area. And perfect. And I'm taking on the brow bone and a little bit underneath the outer corner here. I'm just going to do some liquid liner on the upper lash line. I'm going to add some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, and that is the finished look. Could have probably added a little bit more of that fuchsia pink into the crease, but alright, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope this gave you some ideas on using your Pure and Boxycharm palette. If you are new here, please subscribe. It really helps me out a lot, and it means a lot to me. I will link the video that I took the inspiration from down below. That is all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.